15 foods to avoid after 50. Reclaim your health and vitality. Tired of feeling sluggish and achy? Discover the 15 foods you should seriously consider cutting back on after 50 to unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Let's dive in and take control of your well-being. As we gracefully age, our bodies change. What we could get away with in our younger years simply doesn't fly anymore. Our metabolism slows down, and we become more susceptible to certain health conditions. That's why making smart dietary choices is absolutely crucial for maintaining energy levels, preventing chronic diseases, and enjoying a higher quality of life. It's time to prioritize your health and well-being. Let's explore the 15 food categories that might be holding you back from feeling your best. We'll discuss why they're problematic and offer healthier alternatives to keep you satisfied and energized. Processed meats are often loaded with saturated fat, sodium, and artificial preservatives. These ingredients can significantly increase your risk of heart disease, stroke, and even certain types of cancer. Think twice before reaching for that bacon, sausage, hot dog, or deli meat sandwich. These seemingly convenient options can have serious long-term consequences for your health. Sugary drinks like sodas, fruit juices, even the natural ones, and sweetened teas are a major source of empty calories. They contribute to weight gain, increase your risk of type 2 diabetes, and wreak havoc on your teeth. Instead of reaching for a sugary beverage, opt for water, unsweetened tea, or sparkling water with a squeeze of lemon or lime. These refreshing alternatives will keep you hydrated without the harmful side effects. Refined grains, such as white bread, pasta, and white rice, have been stripped of their fiber and essential nutrients. This processing leads to rapid blood sugar spikes and can contribute to weight gain and insulin resistance. Make the switch to whole grains like whole wheat bread, brown rice, and quinoa. These options are packed with fiber and nutrients, providing sustained energy and promoting better digestive health. Fried foods are notorious for being loaded with unhealthy fats and calories. Consuming them regularly can contribute to heart disease, obesity, and chronic inflammation throughout the body. Try baking, grilling, or air frying your favorite foods instead. These cooking methods allow you to enjoy delicious meals without the excess oil and unhealthy fats. While moderate alcohol consumption may have some potential health benefits, excessive drinking can significantly increase your risk of liver disease, heart problems, and certain cancers. Be mindful of your alcohol intake and stick to recommended guidelines. If you don't drink, there's no need to start. If you do so in moderation and always prioritize your health. Artificial sweeteners might seem like a guilt-free way to satisfy your sweet tooth, but they can actually disrupt your gut bacteria and potentially lead to cravings for sugary foods. Consider using natural sweeteners like stevia or monk fruit in moderation. However, the best approach is to gradually reduce your overall sugar intake and train your taste buds to enjoy less sweetness. High-sodium foods, such as processed foods, canned soups, and fast food, can raise your blood pressure and increase your risk of heart disease. Many people are unaware of just how much sodium they consume daily. Read food labels carefully and choose low-sodium options whenever possible. Cook more meals at home using fresh ingredients to control the amount of sodium in your diet. Trans fats are notorious for raising bad cholesterol, LDL, and lowering good cholesterol, HDL, significantly increasing your risk of heart disease. They are often found in margarine, baked goods, and fried foods. Check food labels for partially hydrogenated oil, which is a telltale sign of trans fats. Avoid these products and opt for healthier fats like olive oil, avocado oil, and nuts. While lean red meat can be part of a healthy diet in moderation, excessive consumption has been linked to an increased risk of heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Limit your red meat intake and choose leaner cuts. Incorporate more poultry, fish, and plant-based protein sources into your diet for a healthier balance. High-fat dairy products, such as full-fat cheese, cream, and ice cream, are high in saturated fat and calories. They can contribute to weight gain and increase your risk of heart disease. Opt for low-fat or fat-free dairy options like skim milk, Greek yogurt, and reduced-fat cheese. You can still enjoy the taste and benefits of dairy without the excess fat. Processed snacks like chips, cookies, and candy bars are often loaded with sugar, unhealthy fats, and empty calories. They contribute to weight gain and increase your risk of chronic diseases. Keep healthy snacks on hand, such as fruits, vegetables, nuts, and seeds. These options provide essential nutrients and keep you feeling satisfied between meals. Energy drinks are typically high in caffeine and sugar, which can lead to anxiety, insomnia, and dehydration. They provide a temporary energy boost followed by a crash, leaving you feeling worse than before. If you need a pick-me-up, opt for a cup of coffee or tea. These beverages provide a more sustained energy boost without the harmful side effects of energy drinks. While fruits are generally healthy, some are higher in sugar and calories than others. Dried fruits and fruit juices, in particular, can contribute to blood sugar spikes and weight gain. Choose fresh fruits in moderation and be mindful of portion sizes. Berries, apples, and pears are excellent choices that are lower in sugar and high in fiber. Some vegetables, such as potatoes and corn, are higher in carbohydrates than others. While they can be part of a healthy diet, they can also contribute to blood sugar spikes if consumed in excess. Balance your vegetable intake with lower carb options like leafy greens, broccoli, and cauliflower. These vegetables are packed with nutrients and fiber without the excess carbohydrates. Regardless of the specific food, overeating can lead to weight gain, digestive issues, and a host of other health problems. It's important to be mindful of portion sizes and listen to your body's hunger cues. Practice mindful eating by paying attention to your food and eating slowly. This will help you recognize when you're full and prevent overeating. Making conscious dietary choices is essential for maintaining your health and well-being after 50. By limiting or avoiding the foods discussed in this video and prioritizing whole, unprocessed foods, you can unlock a healthier, more vibrant you. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Consult with a healthcare professional or registered dietitian for personalized dietary recommendations tailored to your specific needs and health conditions. Ready to take the next step towards a healthier you? Download our free guide, 5 Simple Steps to a Healthier Diet After 50, by clicking the link in the description below. Plus, subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and insights on healthy aging. Don't wait, start prioritizing your health today.